Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Before we dive into today's video, do me a favor, guys, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And give this video a thumbs up if you are excited to learn about holistic health. Now, let's get to the good stuff. In today's video, we're going to explore the world of holistic health and wellness. Guys, I recently had the incredible opportunity to sit down with a holistic health practitioner who's been making waves in this field. Her name is Tiffany. We had a deep and insightful conversation about approaches to health, nutrition, and well-being. This practitioner has a wealth of knowledge to share. Guys, I want you to get ready, grab your favorite herbal tea, get cozy, and let's embark on this holistic journey together. So guys, it's pretty hot here in Lakeland, but I am fascinated by this booth. It says African Goddess Lair, and I want to go over and see what it's all about. Hi, how are you today?
Hello, I'm doing well. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Yes. And I see that you have some herbs and something that looks like teas.
Yes, I'm Tiffany. I'm the founder here at African Goddess Lair LLC.
Hi, Tiffany.
Hello, Ms. Marcia. Nice to see you. And we have a variety of different herbal tea blends here for your medicinal value, medicinal grade for your wellness needs, ranging from digestive aid support, where we have chamomile and fennel combined to help with any digestive aid problems. For instance, if you may have eaten something that giving you an upset stomach, instead of drawing for an antacid, you can have chamomile and fennel, as well as ginger is great for digestive issues as well. Then we have immunity boosting teas. We're coming into that season as the weather changes. It's a blend of elderberry, mullein, and sarsaparilla. Sarsaparilla you're going to see come up a lot in these blends. It's one of the herbs with the highest concentration of iron in it.
Yes.
As Africans, that's one of the minerals we are in need of for our energy,
yes,
our everyday life,
yes,
vitality. And a lot of times we tend to eat something like sugars, for instance, that deplete and remove our iron, or sometimes hybrid foods. So we just have to replenish it. That's why sometimes when you have sugar, you have the high level, and then after a while it goes down. Your energy goes down. It's from the depletion of the iron. Yes. So you get that fatigue kind of feeling. Really quickly, yes. And how long have you been involved in this holistic health, Tiffany? Yes, as far as a certified holistic practitioner, I got my certification back in March 2015.
Oh, that's a while. Congratulations.
Thank you. However, as far as practicing, it's been at least 13 to 15 years, I'll say.
Okay.
Where I was diagnosed with PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome.
Yes.
Which is a type of infertility when I was around 22 years old. And I was in my year of marriage and wanting to conceive and realizing there was difficulty conceiving. And I went to a gynecologist. They diagnosed me with that ailment. And said that I would need to, do the fertility drug method, and that I really didn't want to go that direction. And Spirit was telling me, just do your research, and that's how I came across
So you
my
looked at your
diet.
options.
And yes, I looked at my options. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Changing my diet was one option, as well as incorporating these different cleansing herbs, as well as herbs to rejuvenate my womb.
Okay. So you would say that is what inspired you to start your career. That's awesome.
Yes,
That's
absolutely.
awesome. That's awesome. But in generally though, Tiffany, how would you define holistic health and some of its core principles in a very simplistic way for the viewers?
Yes, holistic health would be you incorporating healing methods that will help with the mind, body, and spirit. So not just where you have in the herbal teas or changing your diet physically and so forth.
Yes.
But you're incorporating even mantras or affirmations where you're reprogramming your subconscious mind to say that yes, you know you can be delivered through the assistance of the Most High and through these herbs,
Right.
but with intention, and by just doing the spiritual practice can simply be in that same way.
Yes.
By changing your mental and as far as knowing that it can work is by putting in your intention for it.
Right. So it's a combination of different aspects of the human perspective. Physical. Okay. So guys, these are some of the teas that Tiffany has here. And
Nourishing nerve. We have a pancreatic diabetic support. The elderberry in here goes in and cleans out the pancreatic duct for anyone experiencing diabetic symptoms.
yes.
And then we have another favorite blend. Is it here? Happy Healthy Heart. How are you? How you doing? Happy Healthy Heart. And this is a herbal blend that's great for the heart as well as.
Tiffany, thanks for sharing that story with us. Let me ask you this. Are there any common misconceptions about holistic health that you would like to address?
Yes, I absolutely.
Mhm.
Some can be that it's hard to do. For instance, what do you eat? When I tell people I'm plant-based, what do you eat? Just grass? No, there's a variety of plants out there,
Okay.
and vegetables and fruits. When you think about the abundance, I eat a different variety of fruits and vegetables, and I've learned different recipes that can help me along my journey. So that was the hardest part, is just finding out there with YouTube now that you can find a host of different recipes to help you transfer into more of a plant-based lifestyle.
Right.
And a lot of things are in your herbal cabinet too that you use for seasoning, and you can even use as herbal teas. Like oregano is a great antiseptic, and a lot of times
Yes.
we have that in our
Yes.
cabinet. And
Okay.
rosemary, very good for the mind, brain
Yes.
stimulation.
Okay. And for protein, what do you usually do for protein?
I would consume lots of beans and legumes, lots of chickpeas especially, lots of
Yes.
different varieties of mushrooms. There's so many different medicinal mushrooms out there too that we
Okay.
eat. Oyster mushrooms, lion's mane. Lion's mane is great for the mind.
And these are high in protein?
High in protein, being that they're plant-based. And remember our wonderful cow. Look how
Yes.
big the cow is, and that's all the cow eats.
That's
is
all they
grass.
eat, right?
And the gorillas.
Yes.
All they're eating. They're fruitarians. So
Yes, and
I think of that conception with
Yes.
them.
Awesome. So, and Tiffany, you would say that you were sharing with me that your personal something that was happening in your personal life is what influenced you to start the holistic things.
Yes.
Can you just share with us what happened?
Sure, yes. A little over 13 years ago, my 13-year-old she's gonna be 13.
Yes.
And a doctor told me I wouldn't be able to have children due to having the ailment of PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome.
Right.
I had a cluster of cysts on my ovaries, which preventing conception. And instead of doing what the doctor was advising,
Which is a myomectomy.
yeah,
That's what they
as
do.
well as, oh my gosh, yes. Either
Yes.
they want to cut out,
Yes.
or they want to prescribe drugs. And
Yes.
I just decided to do some more research on my own and just listen to spirit. and it guided me to changing my diet. That's how I first came into
That's
plant-based
okay.
lifestyle.
Great.
As well as incorporating more herbs that cleanse my womb, as well as that help to rejuvenate my womb.
Yes.
Such as red raspberry leaf, red clover. Those herbs are really great for the womb. And
Okay.
I even noticed and saw within 3 months, I saw it leaving my body
Yes.
during my cycle, as well as after the 3 months of my cycle becoming more regular.
Yes.
Within about 6 months is when I actually conceived. It was
Wow.
that January.
Wow. So you defied whatever the doctor said was not gonna happen.
Yes.
Good job. Good job.
And that is why I'm out here today, to let others,
To share the good
women
news with
especially.
others.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Tiffany, for the viewers, if they want to reach out to you for consultation or to purchase, how would they reach you?
Yes, absolutely. I'm across both platforms, Facebook and Instagram.
Facebook and Instagram, guys.
Yes, which is African with a K.
African Goddess.
Slayer. Yes. And I say African Goddess Slayer.
Thank you so much, Tiffany, for sharing with us today. Guys, Tiffany is one of our sisters. She has her roots in Jamaica. So, you know, we got to support her. We got to show some love to our sister. Support her business, guys. And I'm sure you will benefit from using her products. Until next time, guys. Ciao.